So a difference of 1.8. That's quite sizable in pistol shooting. Who will take gold? And who's going to take a quota place for the Paris Olympic Games? We're about to find out. 10.3 from Varun Tomar and a 9.8 from Arjun Cheema. So it is confirmed now that Tomar will take the gold medal, and Cheema has to settle today for the silver, finishing behind with a difference of 2.3. So now just the presentation of the athletes and the medalists. There it is confirmed, not only the gold medal but also the quota place as well for Varun Tomar of India. Great performance and a finishing total of 239.6.